In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see deleted event Google Calendar. If you accidentally removed a meeting or an important reminder, don't worry, Google Calendar keeps deleted items in a separate area so you can review them and if needed, bring them back. We'll do this using the web version of Google Calendar, which is the most reliable place to manage deleted events. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the calendar you want to check. In the top right, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid made of dots, and choose Calendar. This takes you straight into your calendar view. Give it a moment to load and confirm you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Once Calendar opens, look to the top right of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Trash. In some regions, it may be called Bin, but it works the same way. If you don't see it right away, click See All Settings and then find Trash in the left-hand sidebar. Selecting this will open a dedicated page that lists items you've removed from your calendar. In the Trash, you can view all events that were deleted from this calendar. You'll see the event titles along with their dates and the time they were originally scheduled. This view is helpful for scanning quickly, especially if you know roughly when the event occurred. Keep in mind that deleted events are only kept for a limited time, typically around 30 days, before they're permanently removed, so it's best to check here as soon as you realize something is missing. From this page, you can confirm that an event was deleted and review its details. If you're working with shared calendars, visibility may depend on your permissions, and you'll only see items you're allowed to manage. If you use multiple calendars, be sure you've selected the correct one before checking the trash, so you're looking in the right place. That's all you need to access your deleted events in Google Calendar. Open Calendar from the Google Apps grid, go to the gear icon, and choose Trash to see what's been removed. Use this area to verify what's gone, and when appropriate, take action while items are still available. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to look when something disappears from your schedule.